9 minus 2 gives us 7. And again, 9 minus 2 gives us 7. And 7 times 7 is equal to 49. But this answer is wrong, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, I'm going to write here the term. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to solve all the parentheses before everything else, and after we solve the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to exponent. Then after we solve exponent, all the exponent, we have to move to multiplication and division, and then finally to addition and subtraction. So that is what the rule states. And if we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication or division, that is wrong, because according to the rule, it clearly states that multiplication should be solved first before addition or subtraction. So that is the rule we need to follow. Some of you may not recognize this pattern or this rule. Some of you are arguing in the comment, what about BODMAS? That is correct. BODMAS as well is the idea. It's similar. It's like B stands for bracket and everything else stands for the term. O stands for exponent, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and F for subtraction. So this is the rule. It's similar. The only difference is D and M are change in place, but that is okay since they both have equal priority. So that being said, let's go back into our problem and solve this correctly. So 9 minus 2 is going to be the first thing to do, because it's going to be inside the parentheses, and the parentheses are the first thing we need to solve. So 9 minus 2 gives us 7. And the problem becomes 9 minus 2, and there is a parenthesis here, right? So we can actually do a parenthesis here, but since 7 is only by itself, we can get rid of the parentheses, right? So instead we can write this, we can simply multiply 7 by 2, right? So for those of you who don't know, if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So here we have subtraction, here we have multiplication. So what arithmetic to do first? What does the rule state? Well, according to the rule, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, right? So we have to do the multiplication first. So 2 times 7 is going to be the next thing to do. So 2 times 7 is 14, and 9 minus 14 gives us negative 5. So the correct answer to this question is negative 5.